What is it?
Spider-Man.
I'll take the tag off. What do you think? Can you say thank you to Karen and Jeff?
What?
Say thank you to Karen and Jeff.
Thank you, Karen and Jeff.
I think there's one more thing in the box too, bud.
This?
What is it? Oh, there's two more things.
Yes.
Two more. Oh my goodness. What are they?
Cool.
Cool, with stickers.
And really cool.
Yeah, open them up.
Look it. This is about soldiers.
Soldiers? Flip to the very back.
Daddy, guess what? I got.
Whoa! Who is that from?
Karen and Jeff.
You lucky